Good students, today I am going to teach you about standard form of a rational number. When times we can say given rational numbers are in standard form. Okay? In this case, the rational a rational numbers in the form of a by b, irrational numbers in the form of a by b, or you can write in this form: a rational number a by b is called standard rational number if a and b are integer, if a and b are integers having no common divisor, other than 1, and the value of b is positive and the value of b is always positive to be in standard form. Form of rational number. Example S. minus 4/18. Okay, this cancels both by 2, 9 ja is equal to 2 by minus 9. But it is not in standard form because the value of b is negative. Then it should be positive. The value of denominator should be positive. But here the value of denominator is in negative case. Therefore, this is not a standard form of rational number. Then we change its minus, multiply numerator and denominator by minus. Here minus 2 upon minus into minus 9. Okay. Then we get here minus into minus plus, multiply in minus, multiply in 2. Then we get here 2 by 9. Here minus 2 by 9 is the standard form of 4 upon minus 18. Therefore, the standard form of 4 upon minus 18 is minus 2 by 9. Here the value of denominator is positive form and integer 2 and 9 have one highest common factor. One is the divisor of both. Okay, then this rational number is standard form of the rational number 4 upon minus 18. Okay, here integer a and b are integers having no common divisor other than 1. Then here both common divisor 1 and denominator and the value of b is always positive. Here the value of 9 is positive. Then minus 2 by 9 is the standard form of 4 by minus 18. Then standard form convert into this type according to this rule. Okay, student? After this, properties of a standard rational number. Properties of rational numbers. Three properties of rational numbers. As property 1. Property 1. In this case, if a by b is a rational number, then we can determine the equivalence rational number. We can determine the equivalence rational number of this rational then we can determine the equivalence rational number of a by b. Okay, here example has 2 by 3 equivalence fraction. In this case, as a by b is equal to, we multiply numerator and denominator by same number b into m. Here m is non-zero, m is an integer, m is an non-zero integer, as m is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to ... and so on. But m not equal to 0. Okay, for determine the equivalence relation, put the value of m is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to ... and so on, but the value of m not equal to 0. Here example as 2 by 3 is equal to 2 into 3 upon 3 into 3. Then we get 6 upon 9. 6 upon 9 is the equivalence rational number as 2 by 3. Okay, students, as here 2 by 3 is equal to 2 into 5 upon 3 into 5. During the multiplication we get 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15. Thus 10 by 15 is the equivalence relation of 2 by 3. As here we can write 2 by 3 is equal to 6 by 9 is equal to 10 by 15. Okay, students, these types of questions you can solve. We can find the equivalence relations of the given rational number by this method. Okay, students. After this, property number second. Property second. If a by b is a rational number, then we can write its. We can write its. Then we can write numerator and denominators common divisor divisor, we can write or we can divide numerator and denominator. Common divisor of A and B integers. As A by B, we can also determine the equivalence relation by this method. Okay, A divide M or B divide M, and both same number divide by the integer. M is a non-zero integer, where M is a non-zero integer as M is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to dot and so on. But the value of M not equal to 0. Here, example, 4 by 5, 4 by 12. Here, the common divisor of numerator and denominator is found 4. Then divide numerator and denominator by 4. 12 we can find. Then after solution we get 1/3. Thus 1/3 is the equivalence rational number of 4 by 12. Okay, student? And we also show here the common divisor as 9 by 36. Here the common divisors of numerator and denominator is found 9. Then we divide it 9/36 divide 9, because 9 is the common factors of 9 and 36. During the solutions we get 1/4. 1/4 is the equivalence rational number of 9 by 36. So these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay? If here 2 by 3, 2 and 3 has only one common divisor, then you can here 2 divide 1, 3 divide 1. Then we get here 2/3, same number. Okay? Thus we put the value of M in numerator and same number in numerator and denominator, divide or multiply, by which we can get the equivalence rational number of the given rational numbers. Okay, student? After this, property, third, property second, before its property second, after this property 3. Okay, students? If A by B and C by D, if A by B and C by D are two rational numbers, then how we can show AB equal to CD? Then for AB equal to CD, then A by B is equal to, then show A by B is equal to C by D. In this case, the multiply A into D is equal to B into C. Okay? If this rule follow that rational numbers are equivalent to other rational number. If not follow this rule, then that rational numbers are not equal to each other. Here example 1. Here 2 by 3 show 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 7. So 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 7. So 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 7 or not. Here by this formula 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 7. Here 3 into 5 is equal to 2 into 7. Here 5 3 ja 15, 7 2 ja 14. Not 15 not is equal to 14. Then 2 by 3 not is equal to 5 by 7. Okay? And here second case 4 upon 5 is equal to 8 upon 10. In this is equal to this or not. In this case we observe that 5 into 8 is equal to 4 into 10. 40 is equal to 40. Then this rule follow of this rule. Then 4 by 5 is equal to 8 by 10. Okay students, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Given rational numbers are equal to each other or not by this method. if left hand side cross multiply of both here, cross multiply A into D is equal to B into C, then AB is equal to CD. If not do so, then that rational numbers are not equal to each other. Okay student, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay student, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.